Hello and welcome everyone to MBAP's YouTube channel. Now today we have got a topic that we're going to share, okay, that will definitely motivate a lot of students knowing that what is going to be the daily routine at IIM Ahmedabad. So in this series of videos, okay, I'll be sharing a lot of stories with you which will be more towards different stories of the different B schools, okay, that will definitely motivate you, okay, further going ahead with your CAT preparation. So yes, in this video, the first video in this series, okay, I'm going to talk about the daily routine at IIM Ahmedabad. Let's go ahead. So a quick reminder before we go ahead is to subscribe to the channel and also follow us on Instagram, okay, because we have a free live sessions which is coming up every day at 8 p.m. on YouTube channel. So आगे जाके इसको subscribe कर लो, Instagram पे follow कर लो so that you get regular updates. All right, so this is so I would have loved actually to go on campus, okay, and shoot the daily routine, okay, with some students out there, show you the life, okay, that students at IIM Ahmedabad have. But because of lockdown, अभी हम वो सब चीजें नहीं कर सकते हैं. अभी हम कैंपस पे वैसे भी चल नहीं रहा, कैंपस पे स्टूडेंट्स भी नहीं है अभी, तो इसलिए हम कैंपस जाके अभी आपको नहीं बता पा रहे हैं कि डेली रूटीन IIM अहमदाबाद में कैसा होता है. But yes, this is typically how I can show you here right now that at 8:45 a.m. okay, your session starts, okay, your classroom lecture starts at 8:45 a.m. in the morning. So majorly that I see that, okay, most of the students used to get up around 8 a.m. okay, or either even at 8:15 at times, and even at 8:30 sometimes, and rush to the campus, okay, rush to the classroom. So कभी 8 बजे उठे तो आराम से नाश्ता वास्ता करके जा सकते हैं, जाओ कैंटीन में, मेस में, ओके, जाके अपना नाश्ता वास्ता कर लो, फिर आराम से क्लास में पहुंचो. ओके, सो ये बहुत ही जो कॉलेज के सबसे डिसिप्लिन लोग होते हैं वही शायद ये कर पाते हैं. ज्यादातर लोगों को मैंने देखा था 8:15 8:30 को उठ के रश करते हुए कुछ भी लेते लेते हाथ में सैंडविच लेके भाग के, ओके, क्लास में पहुंच गए. ओके, सो बी वेरी क्लियर. यहाँ पे जो सबसे पहली बात ये है कि 8:45 का जो क्लास होता है इसमें आपको 8:45 को या उससे पहले ही पहुंचना है. अगर आप 46 तक भी पहुंचते हैं तो फैकल्टी आपको क्लास के अंदर नहीं लेगा. ओके, एंड यू मिस ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर क्लास डायरेक्टली. और आपको कॉलेज में 100% अटेंडेंस मेंटेन करना है. Only and only if you have got some very medical emergency something, okay, then only your absentee is considered. Otherwise you have to manage, okay, you have to maintain that 100% attendance. Okay, so lectures will go on till 1:10 p.m. okay, 1:10 p.m. तक आप आराम से क्लास में बैठे हो, डिस्कशन चल रहा है. In fact, in this session, in this video, okay, I'm going to also talk about certain subjects, okay, which are very unique to IIM Ahmedabad. कुछ ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो IIM Ahmedabad में ही लिए जाते हैं. मैं उसके बारे में ही बहुत डिटेल में बात करने वाला हूँ ये वीडियो में. आगे जाके भी वो सब बातें होंगी, सो मेक श्योर कि तुम लास्ट तक पूरा वीडियो देखो. ओके, ठीक है. हम लोग 1:30 1:10 तक हम लोग फ्री हो गए, ओके, सारे लेक्चर्स खत्म हो गए. अब बच्चे आते हैं, अब लोग देख रहे हैं कि चलो लंच करने जाएंगे मेस में, ये वो. लेकिन नेक्स्ट 30 मिनट्स जो होता है ना, टिल 2 p.m. okay, 2 p.m. और 2:15 p.m. के आसपास, ओके, दैट इज टाइम, ओके, वेयर यू आर काइंड ऑफ फिगरिंग आउट कि क्या आज कोई सरप्राइज क्विज है क्या. ओके, आप अपना फोन चेक कर रहे हो, मेल चेक कर रहे हो, क्लास का जो CR होगा, ओके, उससे पूछा जा रहा है, ओके, कि कोई फैकल्टी से मेल आया क्या. बिकॉज रैंडमली कोई भी दिन पे कभी भी आपका, ये कभी भी नहीं, बट ये जो स्पेसिफिक टाइम है, इस टाइम पे आपकी ज्यादातर कोई ना कोई सब्जेक्ट का सरप्राइज क्विज होता है. So that's why people are not going for lunch at that time, because they are kind of they want to make sure कि आज कोई सरप्राइज क्विज नहीं है, वरना उनको लंच छोड़ के भागना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, तो इसलिए वो लोग वेट करते हैं. ये आधा घंटा लोग अपना फोन वोन चेक करने में, बातचीत करने में निकाल देते हैं. और यूजुअली 2 o'clock तक या 2:15 तक उनको कोई मैसेज आ ही जाता है कि आपका 2:45 को क्विज है. ओके, सो अगर आपको 2:45 का क्विज है, ओके, सो यूजुअली लोगों को 1:45 तक भी अगर पता चला, ओके, 1:45 1:30 तक अगर पता चला, तो ये लोगों को 1 घंटे का टाइम मिलता है बच्चों को, ओके, अपनी क्विज के लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. अब ये चीज आपको समझ में आ जाएगी. अगर आपको 1 घंटे का टाइम मिल रहा है, यानी कि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप स्क्रैच से वो टॉपिक पढ़ना शुरू कर सकते हो. दैट मीन्स the students that you have here, all the students are all the time prepared. Okay, they are all the time prepared that anytime any quiz can come, so you are all the time prepared with whatever you have studied in the class. Understand guys? Okay, so इसीलिए आपको CAT preparation के अंदर भी वही चीज आदत में डाली जा रही है that you need to be always prepared. Okay, always prepared when you're going for your CAT preparation. All right, so done with this. This is going to be a half an hour quiz. Okay, so 2:45 to 3:15. By 3:15 you are free with the quiz. Okay, now you will go for your quick lunch. Okay, you'll have your power nap. Okay, so probably by around 4:30 or 5 p.m. onwards, okay, now people are people are busy with their evening activities. Okay, so what happens in the evening, for some time they'll have some fun activities. You will find that someone, okay, playing some guitar somewhere in the campus. Okay, people playing games. So इस तरीके से बहुत से fun activities होती हैं जो usually लोग half an hour या 1 hour तक के लिए करते हैं. Okay, so 6 p.m. onwards, okay, then their typical self preparation or self study time starts. Okay, so what do? People will do their group assignments that time. Okay, जो next day का lecture होगा उसके लिए prepare करेंगे, उसके लिए pre read करना होगा, वो सब करेंगे. और ये सब कुछ करते करते usually उनको 2 से 3 बज जाते हैं रात के गाइस. यानी कि ये लोग सब कुछ पूरे दिन का lectures, quiz सब कुछ करने के बाद रात में आके ये 7 से 8 घंटा ओके ये लोग रात में आके अलग से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. दिस इज देयर ग्रुप असाइनमेंट्स, प्रोजेक्ट्स, क्विज. ओके, इन सारी चीजों की पढ़ाई चल रही है. ये सब होते होते ऑब्वियसली इसी के बीच में लोग थोड़ा सा गैप भी ले लेते हैं, जहाँ पे लोग डिनर ब्रेक ले लेते हैं. ये सारी चीजें होती हैं. और फिर 2 या 3 बजे के आसपास सो के फिर वापस से अगले दिन 6 घंटे की नींद लेके ये लोग 8 बजे से दिन अपना स्टार्ट करते हैं. So it's such a action-packed day. Okay, if you look at this, this is also a routine at a lot of other top colleges. Okay, you talk about the IIMs or SPJs. This is typically the schedule that they follow in most of the top colleges. So it's a very enriching and a very, I can say, जो आपका life-changing experience है वैसा experience होता है. So it's a very nice thing. So definitely, I think you should work hard to make sure that you get this kind of a lifestyle. Okay, this kind of a routine when you get into a B school. Acha, now we'll also see, जैसे मैंने कहा था, we'll also see about certain subjects that you get to study in IIM Ahmadabad. Okay, now as such there's a long list. Okay, but I have chosen these 3 subjects. Okay, for IIM Ahmadabad particularly because these 3 areas, these 3 subjects are very unique about IIM Ahmadabad. अगर तुम इसको जाके देखोगे तो बहुत से न्यूज़पेपर्स में भी इनके बारे में बात हुई थी. ठीक है, so ये क्या होता है? So exploration in role and identity. Okay, now in this is a subject which is not taught in campus. This is a outside campus thing. So around 120 students who take this particular subject. Okay, these 120 students are taken for a 7 days. Okay, 7 days time. Okay, they are taken outside campus. Okay, probably in some wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, which is there near to Kutch, I guess. Okay, so Kutch is near Ahmedabad. Okay, so they go there. Okay, 7 days में बच्चों को वहाँ जाके उनको अलग-अलग groups में. Okay, they are broken down into several groups, and in these different groups they are divided. Okay, and they are separated there. Now over there, what do they do? Okay, now the very important part, students are made to talk. Okay, about their struggles in their life. Okay, their lessons in their life they have learned. Now in there, when someone talks about struggles, lessons, okay, how their life has taken shape, this is where kind of their people are told to dwell into their negative thoughts. लोगों को जानबूझ के डाला जा रहा है कि आप अपने negative thoughts के बारे में सोचो और ये negative thoughts के बारे में आप people से, लोगों से share करो. Share it with people. Okay, they share it here with people. Now what happens through this process, because obviously there are people who have come from different backgrounds, different geographies, different cultures. Okay, now when they come together here and they share their their struggles of their life, okay, their depression phase and all of that. Okay, the depression phase, as I said. So when they share all these things, there is a lot of things that other people who are there together, they learn, they realize towards life. Okay, they explore things, okay, towards life. They also get to know that someone who's come from a different working background, okay, different cultural background. Okay, what is their upbringing and how their personality has taken shape till now. So this makes people think a lot towards overall life. Okay, and this kind of prepares them. Okay, this kind of prepares them to respect, okay, to know people, and how to deal with people, okay, when they are in groups. Okay, so this is a very nice learning that MBA students get, okay, to know that. Okay, now वैसे ही एक similar role होता है career, role and identity. Now there is so mostly what will happen. Okay, we see that people will come from different career backgrounds, right? So if someone, let's say, is comes from engineering, typical engineering IT background, okay, that is come from, now he might not know, okay, exactly what is the role of a CA, that how a CA has worked. Okay, probably he has not identified that how someone who comes from medical background, okay, and he's worked at some managerial level at hospital or something like that. So what was the role, what was the identity there? So different career options. Okay, all these talks are done in classroom. people from different career backgrounds, okay, different roles, different identities. They speak up there, they discuss it there, okay. And just imagine, these are all people who are definitely smart, obviously, because they are cleared IIM Ahmedabad entrance exam procedures, and they are sitting there and discussing that. So your thought process, your thinking process towards life changes completely. Okay, the way you look at things, your observation towards life is going to change. Similarly, there's one more thing, okay, one more subject called philosophical foundations of management. Now, when we study these things, okay, in management, okay, we have, like, typically, so I'm an engineer, okay, a lot of engineers will connect with this. When we go through philosophy, okay, we have never studied philosophical things, okay, before in our life, okay. So most of the times, when you do management subject, okay, and you relate that with philosophy, so because management is nothing but kind of dealing with people, okay, and people means behaviors, okay, and behaviors means a lot of philosophical things comes into picture. So again, here through discussions, okay, the people are, students are made to think deep. They are made to think deep, and that is where they get into the real problems of how, what people face in businesses, and how can that be solved. It's a very interesting subject, okay. You can Google these things, and you can even study more if you are interested to know more about IIM Ahmedabad, okay. Definitely these things will motivate you, and look for these kind of a schedule that I think every one of you should definitely live in this routine for 2 years of their life, okay. If not IIM Ahmedabad, okay, there are a lot of other colleges which provide you the same level of routine, the same level of rigorous, okay, and overall growth. So this is what I wanted to share, okay. So guys, please be motivated enough to prepare for CAT, give your best shot, okay. And in case you want any more guidance, you can comment down there, and we are there to help you out. All the best.